Welcome to another video. Today, we are going to discuss about the top 7 amazing health benefits of spinach. Let's get started. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that originated in Persia. It belongs to the amaranth family and is related to beets and quinoa. What's more, it's considered very healthy, as it's loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. Eating spinach may benefit eye health, reduce oxidative stress, help prevent cancer, and reduce blood pressure levels. Below are the health benefits in detail. Number 1. It contains calories, water, protein, carbs, sugar, fiber, fat. Carbs. Most of the carbs in spinach consist of fiber, which is incredibly healthy. Spinach also contains small amounts of sugar, mostly in the form of and fructose. Fiber. Spinach is high in insoluble fiber, which may boost your health in several ways. It adds bulk to stool as food passes through your digestive system. This may help prevent constipation. Number 2. Vitamins and minerals. Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A. Spinach is high in carotenoids, which your body can turn into vitamin A. Vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin health and immune function. Vitamin K1. This vitamin is essential for blood clotting. Notably, one spinach leaf contains over half of your daily needs. Folic acid. Also known as folate or vitamin B9, this compound is vital for pregnant women and essential for normal cellular function and tissue growth. Iron. Spinach is an excellent source of this essential mineral. Iron helps create hemoglobin, which brings oxygen to your body's tissues. Calcium. This mineral is essential for bone health and a crucial signaling molecule for your nervous system, heart, and muscles. Potassium, magnesium, and vitamins B6, B9, and E. Number 3. Plant compounds. Spinach contains several important plant compounds, including lutein. This compound is linked to improved eye health. Camphorol. This antioxidant may decrease your risk of cancer and chronic diseases. Nitrates. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which may promote heart health. Quercetin. This antioxidant may ward off infection and inflammation. Spinach is one of the richest dietary sources of quercetin. Zeaxanthin. Like lutein, zeaxanthin can also improve eye health. Number 4. Spinach is extremely healthy and linked to numerous health benefits. It has been shown to improve oxidative stress, eye health, and blood pressure. Oxidative stress-free radicals are byproducts of metabolism. They can cause oxidative stress, which triggers accelerated aging and increases your risk of cancer and diabetes. However, spinach contains antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress and help reduce the damage it causes. Number 5. Eye health. Spinach is rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, which are the carotenoids responsible for color in some vegetables. Human eyes also contain high quantities of these pigments, which protect your eyes from the damage caused by sunlight. Additionally, several studies indicate that zeaxanthin and lutein work to prevent macular degeneration and cataracts, which are major causes of blindness. These compounds may even be able to reverse existing damage. Number 6. Cancer prevention. Spinach contains two components, mGDG and sQDG, which may slow down cancer growth. In one study, these compounds helped slow tumor growth in a person's cervix. They also decreased the size of the tumor. Several human studies link spinach consumption to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Eating this leafy green may also help prevent breast cancer. Number 7. Blood pressure. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which have been shown to help moderate blood pressure levels and decrease your risk of heart disease. One study in 27 people found that eating spinach effectively lowered blood pressure levels. Several other studies observe similar effects, indicating that spinach boosts heart health. There are many ways to prepare spinach. You can buy it canned or fresh and eat it cooked or raw. It's delicious either on its own or in other dishes. Try and incorporate it into your diet in order to benefit from its numerous healing potency. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.